Right, this is how I make sawdust mushroom growing bags. In here I've got 5 parts hardwood sawdust and 1 part of bran. Here you go, wheat bran or rice bran. No. And then you want 1 to 1.5 parts water, but that will depend on the sort of sawdust you're using, because this was pretty dry and quite fine, so it's used about almost 2.5 parts water. You want to mix it thoroughly and make sure there's no dry patches in there. Doesn't look too bad. Right, it feels quite wet, and then if I squeeze it, you get a few drops coming out. So that's about right. Right, and then to put it in the bag, right, this is a bag I'm going to use. It's got a filter patch on it, and these are biodegradable bags as well. So when I fill the bag, I try not to get it on the filter patch. Then once I put the sawdust in the bag, I just wipe down the insides of the bag, well, from the bottom to the top, to get rid of any little bits. So they're nice and clean. Right, so once that's done, just pack it down slightly. And then fold the sides in. and fold it down, fold the filter patch over to the, so it's facing on the inside. Like that, so it's like a concertina then. Squeeze out as much air as possible. And then wrap it in foil. I just give it a little bit of extra protection when it's in the pressure cooker, because they are prone to doing weird things. So when you put it in the pressure cooker, I always stick a plate on top. And then if anything did happen, like it did expand out, hopefully that will stop it from hitting the vent on the pressure cooker and blocking it, because you really don't want that to happen. So yeah, you just do that, and then you can pressure cook that for 2.5 hours at 15 psi, and then leave it to cool down overnight. And then once it's cooled, you can take it out and put it into a still air box, unwrap it, and then add the spawn that you want. So it's really good for oysters, reishi, lion's mane, anything that likes wood really, hardwood. Once the bags are cooled down, you can inoculate them with some grain spawn. And then you can seal up the top with some micropore tape, or use a heat sealer. And then just mix the grain spawn in a bit, trying not to get it up onto the filter patch. Yeah, and once that's mixed, that can just be left to grow through. Then you can fruit it out of the bag.